I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut PC. So if we go ahead and play this stock video of a woman walking on a beach, you can see she's walking pretty slow. We're going to pause it right here. Go take a look. This is where we're at on our timeline. And I'm going to go ahead and click on split. Then I'm going to drag this over to the right a little bit, maybe right about there. I'm going to click on split again. Then I'm going to select the clip that I just split. And I'm going to come over here to speed. And by default, it's going to be at 1 times, right? So we're going to increase that. Let's just say 3. We'll go to 3 times speed. Then let's go ahead and play the video. And you can see now she's walking much faster. And now back to the normal speed of the video. If I wanted to speed up the entire video, we wouldn't make the split, so I just undid the splits. I would just select the clip, go to speed, and then just increase it to whatever we want, and let's press play. Now you can see she's walking much faster the entire clip. Alright, let's go back and let's drag this on here again. So let's say we want to slow this down even more. You can see she's already walking pretty slow, but let's say we want to slow it even more. We're going to hit pause or go ahead and manually select where you want to slow it down. We'll just say right there. Once again, we're going to click on split. Then we're going to drag this over as far as we want that section of the video to slow down. We're going to hit split. Then we're going to click on this clip that we just split. We're going to go back up to speed and we're going to go negative, so we'll say 0.35. So now let's go ahead and play it, and she's going to walk even slower, as you can see there. So that's how to speed up and slow down sections of a video in CapCut. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.